Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to print a large Microsoft Excel sheet on page. Also, I'm gonna show to you how to do organized your Microsoft Excel large file for printing. Dear viewers, you can see a large sheet in Microsoft Excel in our screen. In this dataset, have A to J column. Also, if I go down, Control Shift down, you can see here 440 rows. Okay, if I print this sheet, how will it look? In this purpose, press the Ctrl P button. You can see here employee ID to date of joining. We can see our two columns is missing in our printing page. Now we will see how to get all our columns in on page. In this purpose, go to this page layout, this menu, and go to scale to fit this group and click this with automatic this box and click the one page. Now press the Ctrl P this button and we can see our all columns in on page. Also we can see here our total page number is 1 to 7. Here boss tell you these documents will be print only 5 pages. In this purpose you go to this page layout menu tab and go to scale fit, and here you can see hide these options. Then here you can see many page number. My recommend is 5 page. When I click the 5 page, now press the Ctrl P button and you can see here on to 5 page. When you change the next page, you can see here not show our header. In this purpose, you go to page layout menu and go to page setup this group. Click the page titles this tool. We can see a page setup dialog box, and here rows to repeat at top. Click this arrow icon and select this number 1 and press this icon and press this OK. Now go to file menu and print and change your page number. You can see header is in every page. Now your boss told you here type a header your company name, but it will not show here. In this purpose, we are going to page layout this menu and page setup groups. Click this arrow icon. You can see a dialog box. Press the header and footer this menu and press the custom header this option. Okay, you can see a dialog box. Select this center section and type your header Tanvir Academy. Okay, now press OK. Now press OK. Now press the Ctrl P button and you can see Tanvir Academy in your page top part. If you do scroll down, you can see here not show page number. Your boss told you please show here page number. How can do it? In this purpose, go to the back button and click this page layout, these options, page setup, and click this arrow icon. You can see a page setup dialog box. Click this header footer, these options, and here custom footer. But we can go these options, this arrow icon. Here you can see two type page number option. Where click this page on or hot these options, and here you can see a preview. Now press the OK and now Ctrl P, scroll down, show the page number, but it's not organized. How can do it for organized for look good? In this purpose, select this page setup and go to margin this option and this bottom 63, change top margin 75. Okay, now press the OK button. You can see here the page number show clean. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.